All right, today I'm going to show you how to use Agentic Workers to create an SEO optimized blog post. First thing you want to do is go to agenticworkers.com and start off right here. If you don't know what you're doing, start off right here in your public templates. And we're going to look for build an SEO optimized blog post. So I'm going to show you a bit of the details about what's going on under the hood. You guys can take a look there. If you do view details, you're going to be able to see the name of it, the description, and this is really where the magic is happening. You can see some variables. So just quickly, if you put anything in these brackets right here, then you're going to be able to use that as a variable moving forward. You get to put in your primary keyword, and then this tilde right here is what's separating the prompts. All this is utilizing something called a prompt chain, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a series of prompts. So in this case, the first prompt is kind of just laying the foundation for that keyword research. And then the next one is, look, immediately after, based on that keyword research, generate a compelling blog post that incorporates primary keyword. And then you can go as deep as you want with the prompt chain. Pretty self-explanatory here. I'm not going to get into the weeds on how to write a blog post, but if you do start workflow, then you can see, as I showed you earlier, these are the variables. So if I want to write a blog post on Agentic Workers, I want to use 4.0 for this. Let's enable search, see what happens, and then just go ahead and do start workflow. Once you do start workflow, it's immediately going to take you into the ChatGPT interface or Claude if you choose Claude. So we'll let that run and I'll walk you through. I've got one already here saved. Now this is a little different. Instead of going to your public templates, this is in my template. I pre-filled this one out just to be able to show you for this demo. So I'm going to hit edit template, and then I formatted this a little different so you can see what's going on. Everything that's happening in this tab right now is what is configured in this content section. I have a custom one where I like to put in the sitemap, so it gives me internal links on it later. But you could do as much or as little as you want with it. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys have some fun with it.